Sometimes I'm alright, sometimes I don't know. Watching time fly makes me feel old. Sometimes you move up, sometimes you lose track. But all the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back. You got your ups and your downs, confident to clown. You could feel left out of your own damn house. Be on top of the world, kissing on a girl. So nervous you can feel what it means to be real. You could need your own space, get your own place, but feel so alone when nobody wants to stay. You could finally fall in love, you fit just like a glove, then find out you're not enough, no. Sometimes I'm alright, sometimes I don't know. Watching time fly makes me feel old. Sometimes when I'm high, my mind is so low, wondering why my room is so cold. Sometimes I'm in love, sometimes I fall fast, losing my trust, run from my past. Sometimes you move up, sometimes you lose track. But all the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back. All the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back. And I don't understand where I want to go. Looking like I'm feeling high, but I'm still so low. Wish I understood why I am so alone. Got no one to trust, I'm just standing on my own 2 feet. And all these secrets that I keep, wish I could just fall in love, wish I could just fall asleep. Think that I've been hurt enough by some friends I didn't need. As I sit up on this bluff and I smoke a little weed, cause everything doesn't feel the same to me. I'm patiently waiting for the pain to seep out of my skin and into someone gracefully. And maybe then you could finally get a taste of me. Got no friends, cause they become so fake when you make a statement and the world engages. And I spend all of my time making something that I hope could finally make some changes. Sometimes I'm alright, sometimes I don't know. Watching time fly makes me feel old. Sometimes when I'm high, my mind is so low, wondering why my room is so cold. Sometimes I'm in love, sometimes I fall fast, losing my trust, run from my past. Sometimes you move up, sometimes you lose track. But all the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back. But all the ups and downs that life has got me coming right back. And everybody knows that I'm not perfect, and everybody knows that I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me, I don't know why you hate me, yeah, cause I'm not worth it. It's cold outside with the gray skies, see your dark eyes and my dark lies. Hate myself in the pain that I caused her again. No, I can't hide, although I try. I don't know why, like the night sky, it's so dark, too much space between the stars on my head. And everybody knows that I'm not perfect, and everybody knows that I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me, I don't know why you hate me, yeah, cause I'm not worth it. No, I'm not worth it. Oh, I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me, I don't know why you hate me, yeah, cause I'm not worth it. Like the chill in the winter, I'm empty like a hole from a splinter. We fold now like a photo of the time that we spent. We cross paths but our minds never center. I feel bad but I tell her never better. Don't know why but I feel like time came and then went. And everybody knows that I'm not perfect, and everybody knows that I'm not worth it. I don't know why you hate me, I don't know why you hate me, yeah, cause I'm not worth it. No, I'm not worth it. not worth it. And everybody knows that. And everybody knows that. And everybody knows that I'm not worth it. I don't know why you ain't there. I don't know why you ain't there. Yeah, 'cause I'm not worth it. Pain, 'cause it'll never be the same. This world will just forget your name, but I will never be the same. Oh, why is there just an end to life? I hope that it feels alright. I hope that the end is nice. I don't understand it. I don't know who planned it. I can't seem to handle all the memories and change. I don't understand it. I know I can't stand this. I hate knowing nothing will ever be the same. Are you closer to heaven? Do you think I'll be let in? Tell me, are you closer to heaven? 'Cause I need time. 'Cause I need time. I've seen so many places and faces from chasing a dream that no one said I could have. But none can replace or take away all the days and memories that we once had. Are you closer to heaven? Are you closer to heaven? Do you think I'll be let in? Tell me, are you closer to heaven? 'Cause I need time. Watching everybody age with time as they lose their sight, they lose their mind. I'm sick of always feeling like I'm losing. I need time. Watching everybody age with time as they lose their sight, they lose their mind. I'm sick of always feeling like I'm losing. I need time. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back.
they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a stray kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
Trick or treat with a Glock in my